Hi. So today we try to give AtCoder Weekday Contest. I hope I am live and audible. Weekday Contest. I hope I am live. Yes, everything set. 9 8. Oh. It started or what? Yes. Let's go to the first question. Is working as a reception desk of a certain event venue. For this event, two type of ticket are sold: regular ticket and student discount ticket. One day part of the event program was cancelled. Okay, so it decided to refund the ticket price to the visitor. The refund rules are follows: for visitor holding a regular ticket, denoting a normal in the input with a full amount, and visitor denote, okay, we have to give half amount. That's fine. The total amount need to refund to all visitor. If it is normal, then we should simply need to add this much amount. If it half, then we have to divide. That's same easy question. Let me take input and number of tickets. Then let me iterate through all the tickets. Firstly, it's type of ticket and the price of the ticket. So string type and int price. Okay, if type is normal, then we have to give full refund, else we have to give half refund. Let me declare answer here and see out answer. I hope this is correct. Yes, it is correct. Let's submit. I hope I am visible. Let's move to the second question then. That's fine. Let's go to the second question. Yeah, it's submitted. Bookshelf has n book line up in a row. The ith book from the left has a number written on it, represents integer AI. Okay, so m books lined up in a row in a bookshelf window. The jth book from the left has a number written on its. Okay, there is n book in a row, m book line up in a row. Bookshelf has n books. Okay, and AI integer is written. Okay, so m books line up in a bookstore show window. J book from the left has written bi. Okay, note that book number may have duplicates. Okay, determine whether there exists a continuous sequence successive bookshelf that exactly match the arrangement in the shown window. Okay, whether there exists integer I, this matches with this. If such I exist, output the smallest I. If does not exist, then -1. Okay, okay. I know the brute force, but it will give you a TLE, right? Hmm. So we have to just find out index I which has the similar pattern like 235. We have 235, so we here we output 3. Here 3 3 we don't see any 3 sequence sub substring, so we output -1. Here we see 1 2 3 4 5. Here we have 1 2 1. No, this is not correct. Here we have 1 2 3 4. This is also not correct. 5 is missing. Yeah, this is the correct index. So we output 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8. Yes. Oh, I got a call. Just a minute. I have half a minute. No, I have half an hour. Okay, then let's see how many questions I am able to do in half hour. So actually I have to find the pattern, matching pattern. For that if I do brute force then it will TLE. There is a famous algorithm like it's a string. In a string we have to find a substring. Okay, but here let me skip this question for now. Takshashi is a member of school gardening committee. If the schoolyard there are n plants arranged in a straight line from east to west, number this from the west to east. Okay, before watering begin, amount of water each plant is 0 liter. Okay, starting today Takshashi is assigned watering duty for Q days. On the ith day he waters such plant from left to right. Okay, from this to this. Still, after all days watering are complete, find the total amount of water. Oh, this is again a difference array question. I know the trick, so I know the concept like how to do. It's like you have to update in a query. Let's say a let's say 0 0 0 0, and you have to add 1 to all this number. Then you have to add like you have to add 3 all to this, you have to add 5 all to this, then finally you have to answer like what is the final state. So it's a difference array concept. I hope this is what it is asking. Q, right? We have n plant. This is Q queries. Okay, let me declare an answer of n. Let me iterate through all the queries now. L, R and C. L, to make it 0 base index I have to -1, right? Now we have to just do L plus is equal to C, and if you have to check R plus 1 is less than N, then answer of R minus is equal to C. That's it. Then simply we just need to do a prefix something. Answer of I plus is equal to answer of I minus 1, and we simply print the answer. I hope this is the required solution. What happened? Something is missing. Yeah, I haven't take the input. Cool, but why it's giving a wrong answer here? What we saw is the difference here. Wait. C liter of water. He water each plant with CI liter of water. That means CI. He water each planter from left planter Li to with the CI liter of water. That means we have to give CI liter of water to each plant from left to right, or we only have CI liter and we have to give this much. I'm confused here now. Wait. Starting today, Takshasi is assigned watering duty for Q days. On the ith day, he water each planter from left to right with CI liter of water. It is fine, right? Let me dry run this test case. All zeros, 5 0, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, 2 to 4 2 3 4. We have to add 3. This become 5. This become 5. Yeah, so I did some mistake here. It's R plus 1. Got it. That's it. Let's submit. Silly mistakes kill me someday. Yeah, this is fine, I guess. Why I'm confused in B question? There is an algorithm, but that algorithm I forgot. That algorithm. Should I try D? Yes, D. Observing a culture sample consists of n cell. Okay, each cell has an activity value representing by a positive integer. Initially, the activity value of ith cell is AI. Okay. As long as there exists a cell with activity value 2 or more in the current sample, Takashi repeatedly perform the following sequence of steps as one of the operation. Choose one cell from the current sample whose activity value is 2 or more. Let x be the activity value of chosen cell. That's fine. Choose a prime number p that divide x. Prime number p that divide x. Okay. Remove that cell from this and add p new cell. Okay, with activity value x by p. Okay, each operation increase the total number of cell by p minus 1. That's correct. If activity value of newly added cell is 2 or more, then become eligible for choosing the sequence. Okay, cell with activity value can't be chosen for the operation. Okay, in each operation, Takashi is free to choose which cell to select and which prime number p to use. Depending on this choice, the number of operation required value of many way until all cell has an activity value of 1 may vary. Okay, Find the minimum and maximum number of operations required to make value of all cell equal to 1. Okay, so we have few cells, we have a few elements. You can choose some element, divide by some prime number and add. Right. So we just need to do prime factorization. If we do some prime factorization, then for each number we know their prime factor. For the minimum we divide with for maximum number of 1 we divide the given number with its minimum prime factor, prime divisor so we get again a big number, like many number. If we want a minimum number of, then we divide with a maximum prime factor. That should work, right? That should work. Yes, that should work, but I don't know how to implement this because I only have 10 more minutes. Wow. Should I try B or should I try D? D seems difficult because I have to come up with an approach. For B, I know how to solve. I just need to come up with an optimization. Okay, let me try B then. We have a sequence, we have a target sequence, we just need to find. That's it. And what are this? This 10 to the power 5. So I can't go for n square, right? Yeah, I can't go for n square. Okay, we have a sequence and we need to find a matching some string. For this contest test is a beta phase, allow AI assistant, then I don't want to go for AI. See, the sequence is like exact sequence or just whether there exists a contiguous subsequence or substring, subarray, subsequence. I'm confused. Subarray and subsequence, substring and subsequence. Okay, subsequence means order should maintain, and oh, it is no, then this should minus, not should, this should not minus one, right? No, we have to find exact continuous It's written here continuous subsequence. Okay, it should be a continuous. I know some blurry idea. What we have to do, we need to first find the this sum. If we know the sum is this, then we have to iterate. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. Let me do. If it's time limit, then also it's fine. At least I have implemented something that have in my mind. Int n and m, n and m, a of n, b of m. Cool. Sum is equal to accumulate all b int 0. Okay, and we have to find a prefix of a. Prefix of I plus is equal to prefix of I minus 1. Okay, now let me create a vector of matching suffix, like matching part. To v for int I is equal to m minus 1, right? Should be m minus 1 or m. 0 1 2, it's the size of 3, it's m minus 1. It's less than n I plus plus if current sum prefix of I if I minus m is greater than equal to minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, then current sum minus is equal to prefix of I minus m minus 1. Cool, right? If current sum is equal to sum, that means we have a possibility that this should be our we are doing backward. I can do front. This should better work. So current sum is equal to plus m minus 1. If I minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, then current sum minus is equal to prefix of I minus 1. If current sum is equal to sum, that means we have a valid possible pushback I. Let me debug and see, are we in the right direction? This should give 0 and 2, this should give 2, but this is giving 2, right? And this should not give, this should give empty vector. Cool. This should also 7 8 9 10 11. Crazy. 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This should lead to a TL, I know. then simply just need to go with the flow. Bool okay is equal to true if if yeah, if a of I plus start is not equal to b of I, then all okay is false, and we break. If okay is true, then we have found our potential answer, and return. If we didn't found a potential answer, then we return -1. 3, it's giving 3 here, it's giving -1. Wow, wow, it's giving -1 here. Why? It's a base case I didn't handle here right correctly. What is the question? Okay. Base case I didn't handle correctly, or what? If it is a 1, okay, oh, it should be +1. Yeah, it should not give wrong answer. TL is fine, we know this is not optimal solution, but this should not give a wrong answer. This is a last try. If it works, if it doesn't work, fine. Now it will give TLE. Yeah. We are hitting the TLE. There is a special algorithm like find substring in a string. K Khadan's algorithm or something like. Oh, I got. One thing. Let me try something. Maybe it's also used. strng string s1 is equal to s1 s2, right? s1 plus is equal to 0 plus x. Similarly, b s2 plus is equal to 0 plus x if s1 dot sub str s2 is not equal to not a position string, not a position, then we simply return -1, else we return auto. This why it shows what's the syntax? In C++, substr exactly two characters starting from. Oh no, s dot find. I want. This is what. Else return answer. Let's see. This should. What the fuck? This is going. How to use s dot find? Find in string. Oh, this won't return index. No, this will return index, right? No, this is not returning index. It should return index, right? No, it's not. Why it's not returning index? Find. Its return type is position. No, this won't work. That's all for today. Thanks. Oh, hi guys, hi. Sorry, I haven't seen. Next time I should open the chat window also. That's all. Thank you.